Hey guys! Have you seen the latest update to NotebookLM? They just rolled out a brand new infographic feature with 10 customizable visual styles, everything from professional and editorial to kawaii and 3D clay. So you can turn your research into beautiful visuals with a single click. You open your NotebookLM project, add your sources, head over to the Studio tab, select Infographics. Pick a style you like: professional, kawaii, anime, even bricks. And in seconds, your content turns into a clean, presentation-ready visual. For studying, reports, or quick explainers, this is a huge upgrade. But once you actually start using it, you'll probably run into the next step pretty quickly. The infographic feature is currently in beta, and generation may occasionally fail. This can usually be resolved by trying again a few times. Another issue is that the generated text content may contain grammatical errors that need correction. However, the files currently generated by NotebookLM are mostly in image or PDF formats, making partial modifications impossible. And that's where things can get a little tricky. Maybe you want to tweak the text. Maybe the layout needs a small adjustment. Or maybe there's a watermark on the exported file that you don't want showing up when you send it to a client or upload it online. NotebookLM is great at creating the content, but it's not really built for editing or cleaning up PDFs afterward. This is usually the moment when I switch tools. Instead of re-editing or repeatedly exporting, I simply open the downloaded file in PDNob PDF Editor. Use the OCR feature to convert images into editable text. Then you can directly edit text within the file, adjust spacing, or remove unwanted elements like watermarks. It feels more like a finishing step than a separate workflow. What I like is that it doesn't interrupt the creative process. You create visuals in NotebookLM, then use PDNob simply to polish the final file. Nothing flashy, just control. If you're experimenting with NotebookLM's new infographic styles and you plan to actually share or publish those PDFs, having a lightweight editor on hand makes the whole process smoother. Alright, that wraps up this video. If you want more practical workflows like this, real AI tools, real limitations, and real solutions, hit subscribe and drop a comment with what you're working on. Thanks for watching.